Hi Asad, I am Biplab speaking. This is my everyday daily checklist detail. First of all, I started my work at 9 o'clock from today, and first of all I open my Gmail 501 and open the render channel and see over there what is over there. Meta team. Also, I looked on the channel, and then I go to another schedule work detail. I open the Google Drive and open the video BA tasks management. And today my schedule is RSR. Yesterday I work on Blu-ray Snipe. You know, yesterday our internet connection was not good actually, and for that reason I cannot work properly yesterday, and didn't submit my work schedule yesterday. Okay, now today I work on RSR, and I everything done, and then I got only 3 products over there, and that is you see this FBA. We got 2 products. First one is this, and this is don't open on at RSR site. I don't know, maybe this list is not matched with RSR site. Whatever it is, you should check this, and I set it on my ultimate list channel. And another one, it is recently ordered, so I don't get it. And another one is FBM. I got this one, and this is restricted approval, so I set it on our restricted channel. I work on also on Emacs bill. I search over there and got the October bill over there. I got today is 843 and 178 and also 308 October's bill, and I set it here, and all this work done by your newly set up Emacs bill process detail, and that's all. And I also work on KGG add. I work on there and add all the works over here, and check also my messages, and there have no actually no newly sent message, so I skip this, and that's all my work. So please check out all the detail. Thank you.